This makeup look, I'm going in with the Benefit POREfessional primer to really smooth out my pores and get a really smooth, even base for foundation. For foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 105. This is my favorite foundation. It's bomb. It's from the drugstore, and you should really pick it up if you're balling on a budget. It's a really great foundation. It makes my skin look amazing, and anyone that I put it on always looks amazing and full coverage. And like I said, it's from the drugstore, so it's bomb. And I'm just going for a light layer of foundation and adding extra foundation in any areas that I feel like it's needed, but not over my whole face because I want a nice light layer of coverage. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige and the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. I'm first going in with Fair Beige under my eyes, and this one's a little bit closer to my actual skin tone. This is the hydrating one, and then on top of that I add the 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm, which is the more matte concealer, and it's also the lighter shade, and then I blend them out. I really love the combination of these concealers together. I think that if you have dry skin, that this is the perfect combo so that you don't accentuate your dryness, and it just looks really flawless. This concealer is really bomb. It compares to the Tarte Shape Tape, and it's from e.l.f. It's amazing. And then to set my face, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Pressed Finishing Powder in the shade Cream Puff, and I'm just applying that all over my face using a little powder puff. This is what's going to really give you that Photoshop filtered skin. This powder is amazing. It does not make you look cakey, and I know it's a lot of coverage adding on a powder foundation over a full coverage foundation and concealer, but like I said, it does not make you look cakey, and it really gives you a nice, very airbrushed, photoshopped looking base. Just beautiful. And one more thing about that powdered foundation is that it gives me an absolutely flawless photoshopped looking picture. Like anytime I'm wearing this powdered foundation in photos, my photos look absolutely amazing and stunning. No editing needed. And now I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm using this to contour my nose. I just draw two lines down the center of my nose and keep them close together, and then I connect it at the bottom, and I like to contour my nostrils. That all gives the appearance of a smaller nose, and I like to contour my bottom lip to give it a more pouty, bigger lip. And then I'm going to blend out that contour using my e.l.f. concealer brush. Another thing about the powdered foundation is that it makes any products you put on top of it blend so easy and so effortlessly into the powdered foundation. Usually I have to blend my nose contour a lot longer, but it was just so easy to blend using that powdered foundation as your base. And now I'm going in with that same Hoola bronzer on my little Benefit Hoola brush. You know, the little brush that comes with the Hoola bronzers and blushes and stuff, and I'm just contouring my cheekbones. I like to contour using a bronzer and not a like cool toned contour shade, because I find that cool toned shades look a lot more muddy on me. So I love just using my favorite bronzer as my contour. And I'm also going to contour my jawline to give the appearance of a nice, sharp, defined jaw. I quickly want to mention my lashes. I am wearing the Eyelure Luxe Silk Lashes. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M437 brush to blend out the areas that I've contoured. That way we have no harsh lines and everything looks nice and blended. The key to having a flawless photoshopped base is blending. You really want to blend. That's what really makes everything look nice and natural. And I'm going back in with my Hoola bronzer on my Morphe JHO2 brush, and I'm going to bronze up my forehead. I love this brush for bronzing up the forehead. It's so easy and fast, and the bronzer goes on flawlessly. Then again, I am going to blend out all the areas that I've contoured. Blending is so important. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in the shade 05 to bake the areas that I've contoured. So I'm doing this under my cheekbones. This will make sure that nothing looks muddy and dragged down too far, and that it really cleans up that area under your cheekbones to give you a very nice and lifted effect to the face. Now I'm going in with the Benefit Cub Brow Eyebrow Pomade in the shade 5 Deep, and I'm just taking the end of that pomade and I'm dipping it into the pomade, and I'm using that to create fake freckles on my face. You can totally skip this part if you want. The freckles don't even show up when I'm like backed away from the camera really. In person they did show up and they did look really nice. I'm not a huge fan of fake freckles or anything, but I thought it would be really cute and fun, and it really does remind me of the Instagram filter with the fake freckles and everything. But I mean, I cover up my freckles in real life. You can't even see them under all the makeup. It's not like they look natural or anything. But here's the fake freckles, and I did think they turned out really cute. Now I'm going in with the Kat Von D Vegan Beauty blush in the shade Foxglove on a Morphe JHO6 brush, and I'm just applying that blush on my cheekbones, and I'm taking it up on the bridge of my nose. This is really giving you that like Instagram filter effect. You know, those filters with the blush and the freckles. That's what I was going for here. And I'm just applying that blush, and then I'm going to blend it out using my Morphe M437 brush, and I'm going to blend my little heart away, because like I said, blending is what gives you that really natural, flawless, photoshopped effect to your makeup. And I'm just going to blend, and the reason why I did the freckles before the blush is that I wanted the freckles to go on first, so that when I put the blush on, it looked like you did have makeup on top of the freckles. That way it looked more natural. Like I said, even though you can't see my actual freckles that I'm wearing under all my full coverage foundation and everything. For lip liner, I'm going in with the KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade Nude 3. This is a very nice dark brown lip liner, and I absolutely love the shade. And you can go ahead and just fill in your whole lips using a dark brown lip liner, any dark brown lip liner, and you'll get the same effect, although I do end up adding a liquid lipstick on top. But like I said, you have a dark brown lip liner and you don't have a liquid lip, you can just use your lip liner, or you could use whatever color you want for this look if you're not going for a Thanksgiving fall look. But now I'm going in the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Chocolate Wasted. I love this dark brown, it's so beautiful. But like I said, you could use your lip liner or go for a different lip color for this look if you wanted to. But if you're going for the fall Thanksgiving vibe, then stick with the dark brown. But that does not mean that dark brown lips are reserved only for the fall. Nope, you could wear dark brown lip any time of the year. That's just what I was going for this video, a little fall, little Thanksgiving makeup look or something. Now I'm going to set my face using the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Setting Spray, and this is going to make sure that your makeup does not move, it does not budge, it stays in place, and it smells amazing. It's like a perfume for your face, I swear. Now I'm going in with the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. I'm adding that to the tip and bridge of my nose and the inner corners of my eyes using a Morphe E36 brush, and then I'm going to add it to my chin using a Morphe JHO9 brush. And last but not least, I'm going to add the Too Faced Melted Latex Gloss in the shade Clear over my lips, or you can leave them matte, but I thought a nice brown glossy lip would be cute. This is the completed makeup look on how to get a flawless photoshopped looking base in real life using only makeup and fall slash Thanksgiving little makeup tutorial, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. This base seriously looks flawless and photoshopped. In person it looks like you have a filter on. You'll look so good if you follow my tips and tricks and try out the products that I mentioned. And I really love the brown glossy lip. It's a very easy little makeup look you could do for Thanksgiving coming up, or just any fall day or any day in general. Like I said, just because you're wearing a brown lip does not mean you can only wear it during the fall time. You can wear a brown lip year long. I think brown lips are gorgeous. And if you don't want to wear the brown lip, you can wear any lip color, any lashes, and just follow the base routine. That way you get that flawless base, but with the lip color and lashes of your choice. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. If you decide to recreate this look, please tag me or DM me your pictures, because I love seeing them and reposting them and sharing them. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!